Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to take a look about why Python. We give you a brief overview of what Python is and we share little bit of history, explain why it's a great programming language and show you some of the cool things that we can do with it. So this session is designed especially for those who are new to programming, with Python as the first language. As beginning, it can be hard to know what we actually do with Python or what make Python different from other programming language. My goal is to make that clear for you today. Let's start with a little bit of history. So Python was created in 1990 by Guido van Rossum, and the latest major version of Python was Python 3. It was released in 2008 from the beginning. Python was designed to be easy to use and to read, which is a big reason why it's so popular today. So why we should use Python? Python was made to be simple and clear, with easy-to-read code, unlike many other languages that use a lot of symbolic like braces and brackets. Python uses spaces and indentation, making the code much easier to follow even if you are not familiar with Python. You can usually understand what the code is doing just by reading it. Python is also popular because it has a ton of libraries and frameworks that make it useful for all kinds of tasks. Another reason to choose Python is that help you to save time as a developer. The language is designed to let you get things done quickly so you can start creating and testing your idea faster. Plus, Python has great documentation and plenty of online resources. If you need help, you can check out the official documentation as doc.python.org/3. Now what we can do with Python. In this course, we start with basic Python, which include the core part of the language, and how to write simple scripts and programs. Python is often described as coming with battery included, meaning it has a lot of built-in tools that you can use it right away, like the random model for generating random number and the math model for math operations. Once you are comfortable with base Python, we'll explore external libraries and frameworks to make Python even more powerful. These aren't included with base Python, but they are easy to download and to use. So what we can do with these external libraries? We can automate simple tasks like searching for and editing files, scraping data from websites, reading and writing Excel files, working with PDF, and even automating emails and text messages. Python is also the top choice for data science and machine learning. We can analyze large data files with libraries like NumPy and Panda, create visualization with Seaborn and Matplotlib, and even build predictive model with scikit-learn and TensorFlow. If you are interested in web development, Python has web frameworks like Django and Flask for building websites. We can also create interactive dashboards with libraries like Plotly and Dash. As you go through this course, starting with the basic and moving on to these powerful libraries, you will see just how much you can do with Python. So let's get started by setting up our environment for the course. Thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next lecture.